Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can apply Printful shipping prices on your Shopify store. Now this is very quick and easy. Now before we start, I just want to show you guys something here. As you can see, it says here in the Printful help center, it says here, if your store has products you store at Printful's warehouses or products you fulfill elsewhere, you have to add shipping cost for those products separately on Shopify's end. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add the shipping price. For example, if you have products that are not imported from Printful directly, okay, if you haven't import, for example, if you made a t-shirt and you designed it and you imported that t-shirt to your Shopify, you can easily apply the Printful shipping prices to that product because you have imported it from Printful. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, to apply Printful prices to your Shopify, you just need to scroll down. Like at the very bottom it says here settings, click on that, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on shipping. Okay, now as you can see, it says here shipping, enable Printful's live shipping rates for your store front. And you just need to enable this. Okay, and if you want, you can display free shipping. Your customers will be able to select free shipping for their orders. You'll still have to cover the shipping cost, so we'll charge you a fixed standard shipping fee. Now it depends. If you want to offer free shipping, you can do that, but if you don't want, you just need to let Printful do everything for you. They will like give the customer the shipping price or the shipping rate. Now after that, you want to click on save, and yeah, as you can see, it says here shipping rate has been updated successfully. And then, like I said, as it says here, it says if your store if your store has products you store at Printful's warehouses or products you fulfill elsewhere, you have to add shipping cost for this product separately on Shopify. And how you can do that? Now let's say that you have products at Printful's warehouses or products you fulfill elsewhere. Now you need to go to Shopify. I'm going to log in into my Shopify store right now. I'm going to click on login, and I'm going to select this Shopify store. As you can see, I only have like one product in this one. Now you need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on shipping and delivery, and then you want to click here general. And then what you guys need here, you will find the list of your products. And what you guys need to do, you can find a product, for example, this one, click on it. If you click on it, it's not going to be clickable. So what you guys need, you just need to, as you can see, to charge a different rates for only certain products, create a new profile in shipping settings. That's what you need to do, guys. Click on shipping settings, and you want to click here, the general. And what you need to do, guys, next here, you want to add the rate. As you can see, you want to click standard, and you want to add the price of the shipping. If you are shipping internationally, do the same steps where it says here international, click on add rate, and you want to add the shipping price. Okay, so that's exactly what you guys need to do. It's very simple and easy. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.